Shya from Danganronpa.
Is this a step-by-step video?
Yes. So first we are going to start with any circle. It doesn't matter how big it is, how small it is. It doesn't have to be perfect, just a circle. Then we're going to start just like this. And then you're going to kind of do a curvish line. Not really, but then stop there. And once you do that, do it on the other side too. Then you're going to kind of spike it, just like that, into kind of like a big triangle like this, just like that. And then you're going to add where your eyes are going to be. Her eyes are about right there. And remember, if you need to pause the video, just do so if you need to catch up. And then her nose is about right there, and her mouth is down here. We're gonna start right here with her neck. We're gonna do kind of like a curve.
Should you make the pencil strokes light so you can erase them later?
Yes. And then once you do that, kind of curve it in and make a point, just like that. Next, you're going to start with the hair so whenever you put the hair, you'll know where the eyes and where they're gonna fit. So you're going to put part of her bangs like this. Make it so there's like a little crevice in the middle. Then you're gonna do the top of the hair, so you know where it's like top. And then you're gonna go like that. Just like that. And then you're gonna do a kind of smaller version over here. And you're gonna make it go out far, like to there. Take some of the hair straights and go like that, 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 that. And then you're going to go on this side of the paper. You're going to go like this. And then you can add some shading to the bangs to know where your skin is. Or you don't have to, but I'm going to do that so that I can know where the skin is. And then you're going to put her nose. So her nose is about right here, where I showed you, and it's gonna go like this, kind of like that, with a little bit of shading. And then her mouth, you can design her mouth any way. Every anime character has a different emotion. Mostly her emotions like this, or other emotions, but I'm gonna draw her emotion like that. And then you're going to make her eyes. And her eyes go like this. So you're gonna make her line go like this. And you're gonna color it as black as you can. Don't push too hard down, or it's not gonna look good. And then you're gonna go down, down, down. And then you're gonna curve like this. Next, you're gonna add her eyelashes. lashes can be any size you want. You can make just a little bit down here, but you don't have to. And next, for the inside, you're going to go like this. Just like that. And then you're gonna draw her pupil. Her pupil looks like that. And then she has a ring around here. Next, we're gonna add some shading on top of her eye like this. And then you can add blush like that. That's her first eye. Her second eye, you have to match up, which is kind of hard to do. So you're going to make a line with that eye. Now we're going to work onto the body. And that's her body. And then you're going to erase all of your marks you did before for our sketching, and so we know what to do. And there's Shya the anime.